Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how I store fish in the fridge for about 2 to 3 days. So today we went to Metro Cash and Carry, and whenever we visit the Metro store, we do buy fish from there because the fish is really fresh. And today we visited it without any planning. So yesterday actually we had already ordered fish from an online store and we already had that leftover fish. So today we will be consuming this, and whatever we bought from Metro, that I need to store it. So this is how I store the fish. First of all, I will take it out from the packet and it will have a lot of blood. So I will put it in water. I will gently rub it and keep it in a plate. So earlier when I used to store fish, what I used to do is that how it is delivered, just like that I will put it in the freezer with the packet, without washing, without cleaning. I'll simply put it, and when I need to cook it, I need to again wait for a lot of time so that it can defreeze, then I can wash it, I can marinate it, and then I can cook it. So after that I started doing this process, which makes it easier to cook the fish at a later stage. And also you don't need to think that okay, I'll have to wait, I'll have to marinate and all of that. Also, when you store fish in this way, the marination gets absorbed really well. So I will change the water and will transfer the fish. I will rinse the plate as well, just to ensure there is no more like blood over there in the plate, and I will give it a second wash. I will gently rub it. Sometimes you will even see that the skin is also there, fish skin will also be there. I got a few, even if it is cleaned properly. So this is what it helps. I will clean it properly, I will wash it 2 times, and after that I will start with the marination. So when you marinate and store it in the fridge, the marination really absorbs, making your fish tastier. I washed it and here I'm adding salt. This is turmeric. This is some Kitchen King masala, chaat powder. This is garlic granules. You can definitely use the fresh garlic, that will taste much better. Here I am using ginger powder. Again, the fresh one is much better. Over here I had some garam masala in a packet. So I will be adding little bit of this as well. This is again, I think it is Kitchen King masala. So I will be adding little bit of this as well. Here I have coriander powder, and after that I will transfer the fish. Now it is better that after adding all the spices, you mix the spices, but I did not mix it, I'm just simply adding it. And if you prefer, you can add some oil also, so that the marination can stick properly to the fish. But I'm not adding oil because I just wanted to cook it with less oil, and anyways the spices will get absorbed because it is all wet and moist. But then yes, adding little bit of oil, maybe a spoon, makes it even better. Once everything is done, you can give it a good mix. And apart from this, if you are cooking fish, maybe you do the marination and you will be cooking it today, you can add some veggies also, like little bit of onion, little bit of carrots and potatoes. You can add it, that also enhances the taste. Even bell pepper, sometimes I do it, but when I want to store it, I don't prefer adding vegetables. So I will give everything a good mix. And also you can add spices as per your taste. I just added whatever was available right in front of me. But then yes, if you marinate it and then keep it in the fridge, whenever you want to cook it, you can just take it out and then cook it. And this was, I think, 1.2 kgs, around 300 something price, and we consumed it for I think 2 days. So this is ready, and I'm storing it in 2 containers, one for the head because I will cook it separately. So that's all for today. Bye for now.